Super weather.
Good Saturday morning. I'm meteorologist Brooke Martell. Bit of a mild morning for you, just like what we've been experiencing this past week. Those temperatures, they're not too cool, and we do have some patchy fog developing over certain areas. We'll get to that in just a moment. We still have the extreme heat warning in effect for the desert region. The heat advisory, as you know, expired last night for the coast, valleys, and the mountain communities. It's not as hot today, and even in the extended forecast, but those temperatures, they're still trending above seasonal averages. But here's a look at the visibility map for you this morning. Again, not a lot going on along the coastline, but some pockets where we're starting to see some patchy fog developing. Oceanside visibility around 7 miles. Same thing there for Miramar, a little bit less than that if you're in the area of Mira Mesa commuting on the 15. But I want to talk about the extreme heat warning, again, still in effect just for your desert regions, just like what we've been having the past couple of days. This expires tonight, but we still have those peak temperatures from 102 up to 107 degrees. You already know this comes with the territory with this region, with those temperatures like that. Limit time outside. Make sure you're drinking plenty of water. And I would even say that as we continue through the weekend into next week, because like I said, although these temperatures are not as hot, we're still above the seasonal norms. Make sure you're staying hydrated. Make sure the pets have fresh water and shade, and also take breaks in the shade or in those air conditioned rooms. Those peak hours you can still avoid 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. I would say this really goes for the desert region, but also portions of your inland valley communities. That last one, incredibly important. Never leave children or pets in a vehicle. Let's talk about the highest monthly maximum temperature records. These are from Friday, and this is really interesting because look at the new record that's been set. Escondido, Ramona, Alpine, El Cajon, Borrego Springs. Look at the previous record, also set in 2026. So you can see those areas, they had a record that was set earlier in the week or the day prior, and then they broke it on Friday. So really actually fascinating, but these temperatures have just been abnormally warm for this time of the year. We've been talking about it all week, as you know. I want to take you out to the coastline, Oceanside here, 50s and 60s this morning. Heading into your afternoon, comfortable conditions. We'll have some cloud cover there as well. We have those low 70s in the mix. And then you can see here at the bottom of your screen, moderate rip current risk. Wave heights 2 to 4 feet, water temperature from those low 60s. El Cajon, we have those upper 50s outside around 6 o'clock this morning, climbing into those low 60s by 8 o'clock. And then you can see by about 10 a.m., low 70s, pretty comfortable by that point. Going into about 1 o'clock is when we trend closer to those upper 80s. So again, about a 10-degree difference for some of those inland valley communities compared to what we had yesterday as that high pressure over the west starts to break down. Daytime highs for the coastal communities, low to upper 70s, trending a little bit warmer for downtown San Diego. We're still right around those upper 80s to about 90 degrees for the inland valleys. Temperatures over the higher elevations, your mountains, we have some low 80s. Breezy westerly winds at times, and then we're looking at 103 degrees today for Borrego Springs. Wanted to show you the daytime highs for tomorrow. As I mentioned, still trending above seasonal averages. So for Ramona, it's right around 15 degrees. You can see up at the top of this list here, 81 for Miramar, about 10 degrees above average. But even for San Diego International Airport, close to about 10 degrees above average too, as we stay close to those upper 70s. Here's a look at the 10-day forecast. A little bit of relief from the heat, again, going into the start of this upcoming week, not by much. You can see we're still right around those mid 70s at the coast. So that's nice and comfortable. We could get increased cloud cover and fog at the start of this upcoming week too. Over the inland valley communities, those temperatures drop off just a little bit Monday, Tuesday, pick back up and stay fairly consistent as we look ahead to next weekend. We still have a good mix of 80s over the interior. Same deal goes for the mountain community. So you can see those temperatures staying right around the 80s as well. And for the desert region, getting out of the triple digit heat, or staying close to it, I should say. But then by Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, especially for Borrego Springs, it's looking like we could be back in those low 100s. Have a great day and stay safe.
Don't forget your umbrella.